every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! We're gonna need 600 grams of fresh mixed berries. I have here strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, and blueberries, 200 grams of sugar, zest of 1 orange, 1 tablespoon of orange juice, and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. I will start by adding the berries, sugar, and orange zest to a medium saucepan and cook them over medium heat for 7 minutes or until the sugar dissolves. And I'll also try not to mush the berries too much while mixing so that they don't disintegrate and I can actually see some berries in the end. While that's happening, I'm going to dissolve the cornstarch in the orange juice to make sort of like a slushy, which will thicken the compote. Once the time comes, I will add the slushy to the berries and cook for 1 more minute. Then the only thing left to do is just to transfer everything to a bowl or some other container, let it cool at room temperature, and that's it. Oh, this will be good. Whenever I see red berries in a dessert, I always want to try that one. Oh, so this already looks like a winner. And having in mind just how much sugar I put in it, I'm sure it will be like a dessert. Okay, let's try this. Oh, it smells so berry. It's so sweet. Oh my god. My too much berry eating sensitive teeth are so feeling the sugar right now, but it's so good. Oh my god. Okay, wait. I prepared a piece of bread. I love blackberries. And I love... I love raspberry jam. I feel like raspberry jam might be my favorite one. You can see the seeds in this. You can see the berries in this. The mouth is watering. You're starting to imagine all the different kinds of foods you would try this with. Ooh, waffles, pancakes, toast. And actually, this is one of the trio of the recipes that I'm gonna try now. And with the third one, I will actually incorporate this. So, this is so sweet. I think if I cut the sugar by half, I wouldn't feel the difference. It's just a crazy amount of sugar for me, but at the same time, like every single time when I'm trying Laura's recipes, while complaining that it's too sweet, I finished the whole thing. This is divine. If you love berries, if you like topping your foods with like fresh kinds of berries, this is like the perfect thing. Imagine a bunch of pancakes and you drizzle this over, no maple syrup needed, no store-bought jam needed, and this is like juicier than simple berries just scattered around, so it will make, my god, now I want pancakes. This is wonderful. Adjust the sugar to your taste. This 1 cup is so much. But then again, if you're making this for dessert, this is, oh my god, over ice. As I clearly cannot stop. Let me just, let me just show you this so you can compare mine with Laura's. This is thick, this is, I'm mesmerized, okay? I love berries. I love what I'm seeing. If you want to watch Laura make this, the link is there in the cards. If you want to try this yourself and see all the measurements and whatnot, the written recipes in the description box down below in both imperial and the metric systems, because I am converting every single recipe I try into the system I'm using. That is metric. That's it. I have my toast. I have my... the name is funny, kind of though. Berry compote. It's a jam, all right. It's a jam. At least in Lithuania, this is a jam, fresh jam, if you will. So I'll be running away. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more recipes like this, the playlist is there. And that's it. I will see you soon. Bye.